So I was reading this article on TechCrunch, and the headline says, AI might be the reason the App Store is booming again. More apps are being created, more developers are shipping faster. And the overall tone is, this is a good thing. But the more I read it, the more I started thinking, this might actually be a problem. So the article is pointing out that AI tools are making it way easier to build apps. Which is true, no argument there. You can go from idea to product insanely fast now. And yeah, that naturally leads to more apps being published. But here's the thing the article doesn't really question. Are these apps actually good? Because when I see more apps, I don't automatically think more innovation. I think more code being churned out. And let's be honest about where that code is coming from. A lot of these AI tools are trained on stuff from GitHub and Stack Overflow. So when someone uses AI to build an app, there's a good chance it's not really creating something new. It's remixing what already exists. And if thousands of people are doing that at scale, you don't get originality. You get a flood of apps that feel weirdly similar. The article frames this as a boom, but it doesn't really address the quality side. Because AI is fast, but it's not careful. It doesn't actually understand the system it's building. So yeah, you can ship an app quickly, but under the hood you might have messy logic, hidden bugs, terrible structure. And the worst part, the person using AI might not even fully understand it either. So now, you've got apps going live that nobody can confidently maintain. And this is where things get frustrating, because when something breaks, you go back to AI for help. And sometimes it works, but other times, it just starts hallucinating. It gives you solutions that sound right but aren't. It suggests things that doesn't exist, or fixes one issue and creates 3 more. So now instead of building, you're stuck debugging code that was never fully understood in the first place. And this is the part I think is being completely overlooked. The article focuses on how easy it is to create apps now. But software isn't just about creation, it's about maintenance. And maintaining code is a lot easier when you actually understand it, when you wrote it, when you made the decisions. But with this AI all-driven workflow, this vibe coding thing, you are basically trusting the output without fully owning it. And that works until you have to go back and fix something. Then suddenly you are dealing with a code face that feels yuck, like it's not even yours. So yeah, I get what TechCrunch is saying. More apps are being built, AI is lowering the barrier. That part is real, but I think they are looking at the service level metric, quantity, and ignoring what actually matters long term: quality, maintainability, understanding. Because if we keep going in this direction, we are not heading toward an app renaissance. We are heading towards an ecosystem full of fragile, hard to maintain software. But maybe I'm wrong, maybe this is really the future of development. So I want to know, do you think AI is making better developers or just faster ones? Let me know.